What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50 plus free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. Omni Academy, your career transformation starts here and it starts free.
Imagine getting certified in one of the world's most trusted enterprise technologies, opening doors to international jobs, remote opportunities, high-paying SAP careers, and becoming part of the backbone of global business systems. Today's workshop is designed for complete beginners, IT students, system administrators, fresh graduates, and professionals who want to pass the SAP Basis Certification exam in their first attempt. And the best part? You do not need to be an SAP expert before starting. This workshop will guide you step by step from basic understanding to certification preparation strategy, exam mindset, learning roadmap, practical examples, career opportunities, and smart study techniques. By the end of this workshop, you will understand what SAP Basis actually is, why companies need SAP Basis administrators, how SAP systems work behind the scenes, what topics come in the certification exam, how to prepare effectively, common mistakes students make, real-world SAP Basis concepts with examples, certification strategy for first attempt success, career opportunities after certification. So whether you are starting from zero or already exploring SAP, this workshop will help you build clarity, confidence, and direction. Let's begin your SAP journey. Before understanding SAP Basis, we first need to understand SAP itself. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. SAP is one of the world's largest enterprise software companies. Its software helps organizations manage finance, human resources, supply chain, manufacturing, sales, procurement, customer management, analytics, cloud operations. Large companies like Coca-Cola, Nestle, Toyota, Samsung, BMW, Unilever, Walmart use SAP systems to manage millions of daily business transactions. Now think about this. If thousands of employees are using SAP daily, who ensures the system stays online? Who manages servers? Who controls user access? Who performs system monitoring? Who handles backups and performance? Who manages installations and upgrades? That is where SAP Basis comes in. SAP Basis is the technical foundation of SAP systems. It acts like the operating system team behind the SAP environment. Without SAP Basis administrators, SAP applications cannot run properly. So while SAP functional consultants focus on business processes, SAP Basis professionals focus on technical administration and system management. That's why SAP Basis is considered one of the strongest technical career paths in the SAP ecosystem. What is SAP Basis? SAP Basis refers to the administration platform that supports SAP applications. It includes system administration, database administration, user management, monitoring, performance tuning, security management, system installation, patch management, transport management, backup and recovery. In simple words, SAP Basis professionals ensure SAP systems run smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine SAP is a large shopping mall. Inside the mall, stores represent SAP modules, customers represent users, Billing systems represent business applications. Now, who maintains electricity, security, escalators, CCTV systems, server rooms, network operations? That operational backbone is similar to SAP Basis. SAP Basis professionals maintain the technical infrastructure. Without them, the system crashes, slows down, or becomes insecure. This is why SAP Basis experts are always in demand. Who should learn SAP Basis? Many people think SAP is only for experienced professionals. That is not true. SAP Basis can be learned by IT graduates, computer science students, system administrators, Linux administrators, database administrators, network engineers, cloud engineers, technical support professionals, fresh graduates interested in enterprise technology. If you already understand basic networking, operating systems, servers, databases, user management, then SAP Basis becomes easier. Even beginners can start because most concepts can be learned step by step. The key is consistency and practice. Now, let's understand one of the most important topics for certification: SAP architecture. This topic appears frequently in exams and interviews. SAP systems generally work in a three-tier architecture. 1. Presentation layer. This is where users interact with SAP. Examples: SAP GUI, browser interface, Fiori apps. 2. Application layer. This is the processing layer. It handles business logic, user requests, data processing, communication. 3. Database layer. This stores all organizational data. Examples: customer records, financial data, employee details, sales orders. Now imagine a user logs into SAP. The request goes presentation layer, application layer, database layer. The database sends information back. Understanding this flow is critical for SAP Basis certification. Now, let's discuss SAP instances. An SAP instance contains processes that run SAP applications. Important SAP work processes: dialog work process, background work process, update work process, enqueue work process, spool work process. These are very important exam topics. Example: when a user logs into SAP and performs a task. Dialog process handles user interaction. Update process saves data changes. Background process handles scheduled jobs. Spool process manages printing. enqueue process controls locks. These processes ensure system stability and multitasking. Let's now discuss what SAP Basis administrators actually do daily. This section is important because certification exams often test practical understanding. Daily SAP Basis tasks include system monitoring, CPU usage, memory SAP services, background jobs, user sessions, database growth, user administration, creating users, roles, password policies, authorization management, transport management, moving changes, development, quality, production, performance monitoring, checking, slow transactions, database bottlenecks, work process issues, backup and recovery, ensuring data safety, disaster recovery, backup scheduling, patch and upgrade management, installing SAP kernel updates, support packages, client administration, managing SAP clients, client copies, client refreshes. Understanding these operations gives you real-world confidence. Now let's cover important SAP Basis terms. These are highly important for certification preparation. SAP Client. A client is an independent business environment inside SAP. Example: Client 100 equals development. Client 200 equals testing. Client 300 equals production. SID, System ID, unique name of SAP system. Example: PRD Dev QAS. Instance, a group of SAP resources. Dispatcher manages requests from users. Gateway handles communication between systems. Message server distributes load between application servers. SAP GUI interface used to access SAP systems. Transport request used to move configurations between systems. Job scheduling automated execution of background tasks. RFC remote function call used for system communication. Understanding terminology helps eliminate confusion during exams. Security is a major responsibility in SAP Basis. Organizations cannot allow unauthorized access. SAP Basis professionals manage user IDs, passwords, roles, profiles, authorizations. Example, a finance employee should not access HR payroll data. So SAP Basis administrators configure permissions carefully. Important concepts: roles, authorization objects, profiles, user types. Types of SAP users: dialogue users, system users, communication users, service users, reference users. Certification exams often ask scenario-based security questions, so always understand concepts practically. One of the most critical SAP Basis topics is TMS, Transport Management System. In SAP environments, developers create changes, test teams validate changes, production systems serve real users. We cannot directly make changes in production, so SAP uses transports. Typical landscape: development, quality, production. A transport request moves, configurations, programs, changes. SAP Basis administrators manage transport movement safely. Important concepts: import queues, transport routes, co-files, data files. Transport management is heavily tested in certification exams. Imagine a company loses all SAP data. Financial records gone, payroll gone, customer orders gone, manufacturing records gone. This could create massive business losses. That is why backups are critical. SAP Basis administrators ensure database backups, system backups, recovery procedures, disaster recovery plans. Important backup types: full backup, incremental backup, differential backup. Recovery planning ensures business continuity. This topic is important both technically and for certification. Modern SAP environments heavily depend on SAP HANA. SAP HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. Key features: in-memory database, real-time processing, faster analytics, simplified architecture. Why companies prefer SAP HANA: faster reports, better business decisions, high performance, real-time insights. SAP HANA concepts for beginners: memory computing, column storage, data compression, persistence layer. Even basic understanding gives you a strong advantage in exams and interviews. Now let's discuss important SAP transaction codes. These are very important for both certification and practical work. Common SAP Basis T codes: SU01 User Administration, SM37 Background Job Monitoring, ST22 ABAP Dumps Errors, SM21 System Logs, STMS Transport Management, SM50 Work Process Monitoring, SM51 Application Servers, DB02 Database Monitoring, SCC4 Client Administration, RZ10 Profile Parameter Maintenance, AL08 Logged In Users, SM12 Lock Entries. Understanding what each transaction does is very important. Do not memorize blindly. Understand the practical purpose. Now comes the most important section: how to pass the SAP Basis certification exam on your first attempt. Let's discuss smart preparation strategies. Step 1. Understand exam structure. Before preparation, understand the syllabus. Understand the question pattern. Understand topic weightage. Never start preparation blindly. Step 2. Build conceptual understanding. Do not memorize definitions only. Understand why systems work, how processes interact, real-world scenarios. Certification exams test understanding. Step 3. Focus on core topics. High-priority topics: SAP architecture, user management, TMS, SAP HANA basics, monitoring, security, work processes, backup concepts. Step 4. Practice daily. Even 1 to 2 hours daily is powerful. Consistency beats random long study sessions. Step 5. Use practice questions. Practice helps. Improve speed. Identify weak areas. Build confidence. Step 6. Create notes. Write key definitions, important T codes, architecture diagrams, work process summaries. Handwritten notes improve memory. Step 7. Revise frequently. Revision is the real secret. Many students study once and forget. Revision strengthens retention. Step 8. Avoid information overload. Don't try learning everything at once. Focus on core concepts first, then advanced areas. Step 9. Learn practically. Watch demos. Understand SAP GUI. Explore screenshots. Understand workflows. Step 10. Stay calm during the exam. Read questions carefully. Eliminate wrong options. Manage time properly. Discuss mistakes that prevent students from passing. Mistake 1. Memorizing without understanding. SAP requires conceptual clarity. Mistake 2. Ignoring practice questions. Theory alone is not enough. Mistake 3. Skipping SAP architecture. Architecture is foundational. Mistake 4. Not revising. Without revision, concepts fade. Mistake 5. Studying random resources. Follows structured learning. Mistake 6. Fear and self-doubt. Many students fail before even attempting. Remember, consistency plus smart preparation equals success. Let's discuss the exciting part: career opportunities. After SAP Basis certification, you can explore roles like SAP Basis Administrator, SAP Technical Consultant, SAP System Administrator, SAP HANA Administrator, SAP Cloud Administrator, SAP Support Engineer, SAP Security Administrator. Industries hiring SAP professionals: banking, telecom, manufacturing, retail, healthcare, government, logistics, oil and gas. SAP professionals often receive competitive salaries, international opportunities, remote jobs, enterprise exposure, career growth. As businesses continue digital transformation, SAP demand keeps increasing globally. Example 1. System slow performance. Imagine users complain SAP is slow. SAP Basis Administrator checks CPU usage, work processes, database load, memory consumption, running jobs, then identifies bottleneck. Example 2. Locked user. A user enters wrong password multiple times, account gets locked. SAP Basis Administrator unlocks account using SU01. Example 3. Failed background job. Payroll job fails. Administrator checks SM37 logs and identifies issue. Example 4. Transport failure. Configuration change does not move to production. Administrator checks transport queue using STMS. These practical examples help connect theory with real-world work. Here is a smart beginner study roadmap. Week 1. SAP Overview. SAP Architecture, SAP Terminology. Week 2. Work Processes, User Management, Monitoring. Week 3. Transport Management, Security Concepts, Backup and Recovery. Week 4. SAP HANA Basics, Practice Questions, Revision. Week 5. Mock Exams, Weak Area Improvement, Final Revision. This structured approach increases confidence significantly. Certification is important, but interviews are equally important. Common interview questions. What is SAP Basis? Explain SAP architecture. Difference between dialogue and background process. What is SAP HANA? What is TMS? Explain client concept. What are SAP work processes? What is dispatcher? What is user authorization? Interview success tips. Speak clearly. Explain concepts simply. Use examples. Stay confident. Admit honestly if you don't know something. Confidence and clarity matter a lot. Every expert once started as a beginner. Do not compare yourself with experienced professionals. Focus on daily improvement, learning consistency, practical understanding, smart preparation. SAP is a long-term career skill. One certification can open doors that completely change your career path. Stay patient, stay disciplined, keep learning. Your effort today can create opportunities for years. Congratulations! You have now completed this complete SAP Basis Certification Preparation Workshop. Today we covered SAP Fundamentals, SAP Basis Concepts, SAP Architecture, Work Processes, User Administration, Security, TMS, Backup Concepts, SAP HANA Basics, Exam Preparation Strategies, Career Opportunities, Study Planning, Interview Preparation. Remember, certification success is not about intelligence alone. It is about consistency, discipline, revision, and smart preparation. If you follow a structured roadmap and practice regularly, passing the SAP Basis Certification exam in your first attempt is absolutely possible. Your SAP journey starts now. Before you leave, we have something very special for all workshop participants. Exclusive workshop participant offer. All participants of this workshop can avail a 20% discount offer, valid for 7 days only. This special offer can help you continue your SAP learning journey with professional guidance, structured preparation, practical learning, and career support. If you are serious about building a career in SAP, this is the perfect opportunity to take action now, instead of delaying your goals. Remember, opportunities don't wait forever. Take advantage of this limited-time workshop offer and continue your journey with confidence. Visit OMNI Jobs and Internships portal. We also encourage everyone to visit the OMNI Jobs and Internships portal. There you can explore latest internships, entry-level jobs, IT opportunities, SAP opportunities, remote positions, career resources, professional growth opportunities. Whether you are a student, fresh graduate, or experienced professional, the portal can help you discover career opportunities regularly. Join OMNI Jobs WhatsApp channel, and most importantly, subscribe to the OMNI Jobs WhatsApp channel to stay updated with latest jobs, internships, workshop announcements, SAP training updates, career guidance sessions, technical learning opportunities, certification programs, industry trends. Staying connected with opportunities is extremely important in today's competitive world. Many students miss great opportunities simply because they are not informed on time. The OMNI Jobs WhatsApp channel helps you stay ahead. So make sure you subscribe and stay connected. Thank you everyone for joining this workshop. We truly hope this session helped you understand SAP Basis Certification, career pathways, and preparation strategy in a clear and practical way. Keep learning, keep growing, keep building your future. Your certification journey starts with one step, and today, you already took that step. Best of luck for your SAP Basis Certification exam. See you in the next workshop. Thank you and goodbye.